into my notebook. Oh, Angel. Oh, don't. Oh, in front of the camera. Oh, I'm supposed to. I'm supposed to mail that. Oh, no. Oh, yeah. You know you did wrong. Don't you dare do that again, Angel. Very bad, Angel. Don't do that. No. Oh, I need that, Angel. Hey, not that corner. You spit it out. Not the, that's where the label goes. Don't slam it. What are you doing? She just bought it. And not the other side. Come on, leave the corners alone. You know we're recording. Leave the corners alone. Damn it. Angel! What? Stop. You done? Are you done now? Yeah, you're done. No more. You're done, Angel. Yeah. You're finished. Alright, you're done.